Welcome back to the Science Hub SKB. Working like a Scientist Part 4. Objective: to determine what a hypothesis is. What is a hypothesis? A hypothesis is an educated reason or opinion given based on the issue, concern, question, or statement given or presented. It is like a guess or reason about what will happen, has happened, or is happening. In general, a hypothesis is an educated statement that scientists make about the problem they are investigating. You don't have to explain or prove it when you first state it. The main goal is to design and carry out an experiment to test whether your statement is true or not. For example, the following investigation presented below states, Marcus has very intense headaches every morning. Here are some good hypotheses. Marcus does not eat breakfast. Marcus wears his headphones at night while sleeping. Marcus does most of his work in the sun during the morning. Marcus meditates while doing headstands during his morning workouts. Poorly crafted statements such as the ones below should be avoided. Marcus's head hurts because he may not have eaten enough last night, and without enough nutrients or energy, the brain suffers from fatigue, which can cause severe headaches. Or how about this one? Marcus loves to listen to music, so he wears his headphones during the drive to work to pep up his spirits for the day ahead. Ew. Stay away from storytelling and stick to making a clear and concise statement when you come up with a hypothesis. Class exercise determining the hypothesis. You are given 10 situations. You're expected to determine for each situation the hypothesis. The first one is done for you. For example, does increasing the amount of sunlight exposure make plants grow taller? The hypothesis here could be plants grow taller when they receive more sunlight. You could even write plants grow taller when they do not receive more sunlight. You can write whatever you want. Remember, you are just trying to produce a statement that makes sense about the situation, and then from there you're going to try to prove it. Let's try number 2. A researcher wants to know if adding more fertilizer increases the number of tomatoes produced. What do you think would be the hypothesis for this? Awesome stuff. So for this one, it has more fertilizer produces more tomatoes or tomatoes. How did you do? Here's number 3. Does studying longer improve students' test scores? What would you deduce from this? The hypothesis for this one, in this case, was studying longer improves test scores. What was yours? Yours may be studying longer does not improve test scores. It can be that. A scientist wonders if higher temperatures will speed up the rate at which sugar dissolves in water. What is your educated suggestion for this? Is it close? Is it different? Just note that this one says sugar dissolves faster in warmer water. Will lowering the oven temperature make cookies softer after baking? What is your possible suggestion here? We have slow-baked cookies are softer. Number 6, an athlete believes that stretching before workout will improve their sprinting speed. Take your time and think about a possible hypothesis. Write it in your books. Is it close? Is it around the same thing? Is it far away? Stretching before a sprint improves an athlete's speed. Does increasing the salt concentration in water affect the survival of brine shrimp? What is your hypothesis? So here are two possible hypotheses. Salt concentration in water affects the survival of brine shrimp. Increasing the salt concentration of water decreases the survival of brine shrimp. Either one. A student predicts that algae will grow faster under blue light than under red light. What do you think? You can write for this. Here are two possible hypotheses. Algae grows faster under blue light, or algae does not grow faster under red light. It can be either or you can say algae grows faster under red light, and you could either have algae does not grow faster under red light or under blue light. Either one of these can be possible, because remember, your hypothesis is just an educated suggestion, reason, or assumption. Will watering grass seeds more frequently cause them to germinate faster? What is your hypothesis? Here we have grass seeds grow faster when watered frequently. And number 10, a researcher thinks that drinking caffeinated beverages increases adult heart rates. What would you write for this? We have here the heart rates of adults increase when caffeinated beverages are ingested, or caffeine increases the heart rates. Here we have a part 2 to the exercise. Let's have some more fun. Here's another example to start you off with. Does listening to music while studying improve memory retention? We have 3 possible hypotheses here. Listening to music does not improve memory retention. Memory retention while listening to music depends on the student, and listening to music improves memory retention. Either one can do. Let's have a go. A researcher is investigating whether drinking more water increases physical performance. Try. So we have here drinking water improves physical performance. Number 3, will plants grow better in soil or in water? What is your hypothesis for this? Great. We have plants grow better in soil or plants grow better in water. Either one is fine. A scientist is curious about whether increasing the amount of exercise leads to better sleep quality. What would be your hypothesis for this? Exercising more improves the quality of sleep. 5. Does the type of material used to cover seeds affect how fast they germinate? What is your hypothesis for this? We have the type of material used to cover seeds affects how fast they germinate. 6. A student wants to know if a higher protein intake leads to faster muscle growth. What is your hypothesis for this? Higher protein intake leads to faster muscle growth. 7. Does drinking caffeine before bedtime affect how long it takes to fall asleep? What is your hypothesis for this? It takes a longer time to fall asleep if coffee is ingested before bed. Number 8. A researcher believes that using a different fertilizer will produce taller plants. What is your hypothesis for this? The height of plants is dependent on the quality of the fertilizer, or if a different fertilizer is used, the plants will grow taller. Either is good. 9. Will increasing the number of study sessions improve student test scores? What is your hypothesis for this? Increasing the number of study sessions will improve student test scores. And 10. A teacher is testing whether students perform better on tests in the morning than in the afternoon. What is your hypothesis for this? Students perform better on tests in the morning. Students perform better on tests in the evening. Either one is fine. Thanks for watching Working Like a Scientist, Part 4. See you for Part 5.